Hey everybody, it's I Want to Be Retro. Today we're going to take a look at installing the Homebrew channel on the Dolphin Emulator. The first thing we need to do is create a virtual SD card to pass into the emulator. To do so, we need to download 7-zip, an application called Virtual SD Card Maker, and ImDisk Virtual Disk driver. With all the downloads completed, navigate to your downloads directory and double-click the downloaded 7-zip executable. Click Install, then close the 7-zip dialog. Next, right-click on the downloaded Virtual SD Card Maker archive and extract it here. Then double-click the downloaded ImDisk installer. Now navigate into the extracted Virtual SD Card Maker directory, then the Windows subfolder. While holding Shift, right-click in the white space and select Open PowerShell window here. Paste the command from the video description to create a virtual SD card, adjusting the size as needed. Back in File Explorer, right-click the sd.raw file we just created and select Mount as ImDisk Virtual Disk. Set the drive letter, then check the removable media box and click OK. Now in File Explorer, navigate to the mounted virtual SD card. Create an apps folder on the root of the virtual SD card. Now we need to download any Homebrew applications we want to run from our virtual SD card. I'll be using Wii Explorer in this example. Copy the downloaded Homebrew files inside the apps folder on the virtual SD card. With our Homebrew applications ready to go, we can right-click the mounted virtual SD card and select Eject to safely unmount it. Back in File Explorer, navigate to the Virtual SD Card Maker Windows directory where we created our sd.raw file. Now we're ready to download the Homebrew channel and Dolphin Emulator. Navigate to your Downloads directory and extract the downloaded Dolphin 7-zip archive. Navigate into the extracted Dolphin folder, then right-click in the white space and select New Text Document and name the new file portable.txt. Launch dolphin.exe and choose if you'd like to share usage statistics. Now we need to copy the sd.raw file from the Virtual SD Card Maker folder into the Dolphin folder. Copy or cut the sd.raw file, then inside the Dolphin folder, navigate to User, Wii, and paste it here. Back in Dolphin, select Tools, Perform Online System Update, and select your country, then click Yes to confirm. Once the system update completes, click OK, then select Tools, Install WAD. Navigate to your Downloads directory and select the Homebrew channel WAD we downloaded earlier. Now select Tools, Load Wii System menu. Step through the initial system setup until you reach the Wii Launcher menu. Select the Homebrew channel from the main Wii Launcher menu. The Homebrew applications we added to our virtual SD card earlier should be listed. Select one of the applications to launch it.